The long off-season is finally over. College football is back. Today, August 25th, 2025, marks the official start of the season with the spectacle of Week 0. This year, the action kicked off in Dublin, Ireland, where American football's passion crossed the Atlantic. Universities brought their rivalries to a global stage, showcasing the sport's pageantry to a worldwide audience. With only a handful of games, every play felt magnified, every coaching decision under the microscope. For teams, a Week 0 win can set the tone for the entire season. The energy was electric, players flying, coaches animated, fans united from Ireland to Kentucky. This weekend wasn't just about football, it was a celebration of tradition and hope. Whether in a stadium abroad or a living room at home, fans everywhere felt the thrill of the sport's return. Week 0 is more than a few games, it's the signal that autumn Saturdays are back. And there's nothing quite like it. The best of Week 0 started in Dublin, where Iowa State edged Kansas State 24-21 in a gritty rivalry. The Cyclones sealed the win with a gutsy fourth down conversion, showing poise under pressure. Across the Pacific, Hawaii delivered a Hollywood ending. Kicker Kansei Matsuzawa, a 26-year-old from Japan, nailed a 38-yard field goal as time expired to beat Stanford. That kick instantly became legend, a reminder of college football's magic. In Bowling Green, Western Kentucky's offense exploded, led by newcomer Matthew Henry's 148 receiving yards and a touchdown. Henry's debut put him on the national radar and signaled trouble for future defenses. Special teams shined too. WKU punter Cole Maynard unleashed a 71-yard bomb, flipping the field and momentum. His performance proved that every phase of the game matters. Week 0 was packed with drama, breakout stars, and unforgettable moments. This is why we love college football. Week 0's highs came with plenty of lows. In Dublin, heavy rain led to 4 lost fumbles in just 23 minutes. Early season rust on full display. Turnovers disrupted the game's flow, reminding us how unpredictable football can be. Off the field, tempers flared after Kansas State's loss, with reports of a post-game altercation involving the quarterback's family, a dark shadow on an international stage. Stanford's struggles continued, falling to Hawaii and highlighting the challenges of rebuilding in a new conference. Even the FCS kickoff game between UC Davis and Mercer ended in frustration. A weather delay forced officials to declare a no contest, erasing all the players' efforts. These moments showed the thin line between triumph and disappointment. Adversity is part of the game, from sloppy play to off-field drama. Week 0 reminded us that football's beauty includes its messiness. The journey to greatness is never easy. Sometimes the biggest plays happen off the field. Bowling Green made waves by placing a massive billboard near rival Toledo's campus, featuring new head coach Eddie George. The message was clear: come see Coach Eddie George Falcon football. It was a bold move in the Battle of I-75, stoking the rivalry before a single snap. Athletic director Derek Vander Merwe called it a declaration. Bowling Green is staking its claim in enemy territory. Eddie George has embraced the rivalry, using Ohio State-inspired language to fire up fans. The billboard is more than advertising, it's a psychological play, energizing the fan base and sending a message to recruits. The hype for October's matchup is already sky high. In college football, rivalries are fought year-round, on highways as much as on the field. As Week 0 ends, the 2025 season is already delivering the drama we crave. We saw last-second heroics, gutsy calls, and the emergence of new stars. Adversity struck too: fumbles in the rain, heartbreak for Stanford, and a game lost to weather. Off the field, Bowling Green's billboard battle proved rivalries never rest. These moments, triumphs and struggles, define college football's unique spirit. The opening weekend reminded us, this sport is more than a game. It's a chaotic, beautiful spectacle that unites us all. And the best part, the season is just beginning.